And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. I got this really nice, very thick piece of aluminum tubing. And honestly, I don't use a lot of tubing for anything. And I really don't know what the hell I would do with this, but it was a tiny little piece. It was like, I don't know, it wasn't very expensive. It's aluminum tubing. It's extruded, 61 aluminum. Yep. It was, got numbers written all over it. It's pretty cool. And I'm probably going to do something with it. But if anybody has a clue what to do with this, besides learn how to weld it or something, let me know. I'd be interested to find out what you would do with this. I'm thinking maybe a tool holder of some kind. Maybe I can cut it in sections, kind of, I don't know, screw it on something and put maybe screws, not screws, maybe a screw holder. If it was bigger, I could use this, take them and tap them all and screw them to the wall and use them to hold paint cans. That's another option. But anyway, anybody got any ideas for aluminum pipe? Let me know. I'm not going to plumb my house with it. So if you have any ideas, send me a message. Leave a comment and tell me what I could do with it. I just want to make a short video. So here you go.